not pouring raining. And I got my package. Yo, this is why I like Amazon. It's pouring raining, it's out, you know. And I got my package. Don't open my video! Come on, man. Stop being... Can you stop being retarded? I'm gonna put you in the video. You're so stupid.
I'm gonna sit up.
Yeah, you're sick. I have this knife here. But anyways, my wife's dying trying to open a box.
My precious. Why don't you put it in front of her so it makes it more obvious?
She was not even supposed to be in this video. Like, so.
I'll be there, mommy. Okay, mommy.
There you go. For $1.50, I get one soda for one day. For $1.50, I can get a 12-pack, which I can get 12 sodas for about 2 weeks, maybe even more, because if I start drinking less sodas, that 12-pack is going to last me for more than 2 weeks. It's a little way that I can save money and use my money towards something else. At the end of the day, it's how you spend your money or how you spend your time that defines who you are. So if you want to spend all your money in sodas, go ahead and keep buying from the vending machine. But I bought the fridge because I don't want to spend all my money in the vending machine. Kind of want to buy other stuff. So that's the small reasoning behind my little tiny fridge.